Need to blur faces in an image quickly and automatically? With Sighthound Redactor, it's easy to detect and redact heads in just a few clicks. Start by opening the app and selecting Add Media. Choose your image file, then hit Submit. Once the image is loaded, click on Auto Detect. From the list of object types, select Heads. Then pick a detection confidence level that fits your needs and click Submit. Redactor will automatically scan the image and mark each detected face. Next, go to Render and Export. Choose your redaction style and adjust the intensity if needed. When you're ready, click Submit to export your redacted image. That's it. Your image is now fully redacted, with all faces securely obscured with Sighthound Redactor.